Hey, this is Raul Balufe, where I will show you today, using my 8+ years of real estate investing experience, these 7 deadly sins of wholesaling real estate. So without further ado, let's jump into it. And before we get into it, just a little warning here. Some of my sins might not be what you're expecting, or it might be a little different than the ordinary. And I'm going to keep it real, man. I'm going to keep it real with you. I have it here in a notepad, so I'm going to keep it real. So deadly sin number 1, not having a licensed real estate agent on your team to convert retail leads. That is a massive sin, okay? That is something you should never, ever fall victim of, okay? And I'm not going to get into each one and tons of detail because this video will be like 100 million minutes long, but I will share with you each of them. And I think over the time, I will be making videos on each. Also, sin number 2, not tracking these 5 important things. You got cost per lead, cost per deal, average deal size, and leads per deal. Sorry, 4 things. Cost per lead, cost per deal, average deal size, and cost and leads per deal. Okay, you have to track that. Please do not fall victim of that. Number 3, not having your salespeople on a dialing system. What do I mean by that? We use Mojo Dialer, or you could use any other dialer. We're now testing call tools to have your salespeople following up on this dialer system. It's extremely, extremely important to be able to track your salespeople's time, or your own time if you're doing the sales. If you're a one-man show, this applies to you. You need a dialer system, okay? Not having separate bank accounts is number 4. Deadly sin number 4. Please, please, please do yourself a favor. Read the book Profit First and separate your income account, your operating expense account, your profit account, your tax account, at the very least, okay? That is a massive deadly sin that I did not do my first 6 years in business, okay? And I would have been in a much different financial place right now. So next, number 5, not having a sales process. This is a sin, okay? If you do not have a drawn out sales process, a sales script, and a sales cycle, step 1, step 2, step 3 in a sales process, whether you're doing in-person appointments or phone appointments, if you do not have this, you will fall, okay? You will fall and crash and burn eventually. And you're gonna be frustrated. You're gonna get maybes and think it over with leads. You're gonna get no deals. It's just gonna be very challenging. Your salespeople are gonna be frustrated. You're not gonna be able to teach people how to do it. Do yourself a favor and get a sales process. Number 6, not have at least 35 qualified leads per month in your real estate business. So that's an unorthodox sin. Basically, I'm saying if you don't have at least 35 leads a month, don't even be in the wholesale business. Yes, I said it. Don't even be it. It's going to be very annoying for you. Number 7, not having a VA assistant or a VA to help you with dispositions. Okay, so notice my first 6, I haven't talked about dispositions, which is selling properties to the investors. A VA, yes, it's a cost, it's an investment. We pay anywhere from $5 to $8 an hour, depending on the skill level of the VAs, but they do all of our dispositions and they do everything for us. Find the buyers, put them on the spreadsheets, call them, text them, send them out to showings. I think it's a sin if you do not have that on your team. Anyways, I hope these deadly sins have been helpful. Again, my name is Raul Balufe. I've been doing this for a couple years now, and I help real estate investors earn more money, really, from just converting leads they already have by using real estate agents and the best in marketing tactics and sales processes. So if you want to learn more about me, check me out, raulbalufe.com. So I'll see you guys in the next video.